all about safety. That was way too much. So this is unacceptable, so we can try again. 3, 2, 1. Nailed it. It's been knocked over. Let me just try again. No fall. Don't explode. Don't explode. Don't explode. Thank you. Alright, what? Step back. Oh. Oh, awesome! Now I want to try something different here. Bombs away! I thought that's gonna work. Again, all about safety. Hacha! That was awesome. Here I go. Bombs away! Oh, I see smoke now. Bombs away! I thought this was gonna happen. Again, all about safety. Bombs away! Now I smell smoke in the air. Total failure. Bombs away! That's awesome. What's next? And now the finale. Oh, that was too fast. Still not gonna count it. But like I survived. One more. Grand finale time. There you go. Bombs away! Happy New Year 2023, everybody! With Isabel and I has sit in the warm fire, at least this safety hazard this came along. Thank you guys for watching this fireworks video. Happy 2023. I'll see you guys later. Bye!